Welcome everybody. We're in front of the Azelia floor plan in the Discovery Collection up at Verdin by Taylor Morrison. And if you haven't checked out my previous video where I show the Poppy floor plan, that is a must watch, especially if you like single stories. But for now, come on in. Let's check out the Azelia bigger 3,300 square foot floor plan. Let's talk about the Verdin community, the amazing amenities and the location, right? So location wise, this is prime time. It's a short, easy drive to the 17 because then we can go up to the lakes, down to the airport, or get anywhere in the city. If you're going over back to the east to Tatum Ranch, to Scottsdale, super easy drive. But out here, right, we're bordering private land. That's what makes this so special. This is kind of your last opportunity to get a home up here because they're not building anything else in this area. On top of that, amazing mountain views like Pinnacle Peak right behind me. Now within the community, I am genuinely impressed. I've been in real estate a long time. The amenities are epic. There's over 6 acres of amenities, things from beach entry pool, Olympic pool, right? 8 pickleball courts. There's gonna be a cool little cafe in here. There are gonna be over 30 miles of hiking trails out here. There are things like dog parks. There is so much space out here. Again, I said it before, I was sitting in 6 acres of amenity space, everything you want. So much wrapped into an amazing private community up here in North Phoenix. Verdin is the spot. If you want to make this your home, you want to take a tour through the models, reach out, you know what to do, call, text, email, or go to the link to schedule your time to talk with us. We'll bring you in, we'll take you through all of the community here, we'll take you through the different collections. We're gonna find home for you. I would love to meet you and take you out here and make Verdin your next home. All right, reminder, if you're new to our channel, you're gonna wanna like and subscribe because I am a new construction home specialist. That means I bring you the insider information, ways to get a great deal, buying in a new construction community with amazing incentives that I will cover at the end of this video. They can save you time, money, and stress. But for now, let's check out the Azelia floor plan by Taylor Morrison in the Discovery Collection, okay? So this is a larger floor plan, nearly 3,300 square feet, 3-car garage, 2-story, huge open layout. I'm gonna take you through my favorite parts of it, and this video will give you a nice little tour so you can get the feel for it and see if it's the right fit for you. Welcome in, guys. Again, this is the Azelia floor plan. So if you like high ceilings and space, this might be for you. When you walk in, boom, I really like that Taylor Morrison has this grand open entryway. Sometimes with 2-story homes, although you get a lot of bang for your buck square footage wise, they can feel a little bit jammed in. This one actually feels the opposite. So we're gonna go left as soon as you walk in. Let me show you that section, right? So you've got a nice little guest bath downstairs. One thing I love about the Azelia is that there is a bedroom downstairs. A lot of people have been asking me, is that a thing? And yes, so this is a 2-story layout, lots of space, but if you have somebody that wants to be in a bedroom downstairs, mother-in-law, you know, kids, whatever, visitors, we got that for you, okay? Nice sized bedroom with a closet, and they have their own little wing with the bathroom. Moving back through the floor plan, before we get to the kitchen, my favorite part, garage is gonna be on this side, little extra storage, or I like to call it a little Harry Potter closet underneath the stairs. So here we've got a nice little home office, den, movie room, or maybe an extra bedroom if you want to call it that. I think this is a great home office setup, lots of space, perfect for you guys that want to have that home office setup, okay? Coming back through, again, this was the front area, guest bedroom down there, formal dining, if you like to have a beautiful table like this, great for those holiday get-togethers. Come through, pretty well thought out layout. You got your living room, TV room area here. I like that it's connected. So if you're looking for a floor plan where you can be in the kitchen, cooking, and have it be connected to everybody where you can see people over here, this might be for you, right? Nice sized kitchen. Again, good sized pantry. These are gonna have a very big island, if you like the kitchen islands. Great thing. Well, so let's go back to the main body of the house, which is gonna be the upstairs, okay? Okay, upstairs, great bang for your buck. Huge loft. Again, for the price, by the way, the starting price, the base price for this is under 800,000, and you're getting almost 3,300 square feet for all the space downstairs and upstairs. This is awesome. So loft, I've seen this really well set up for kids, play areas, man cave, den, all sorts of fun stuff. Then over here, you're gonna have the laundry room, again, smart panels, all that jazz. The extra storage here, room for folding clothes, things like that. The rest of the floor plan flows through here. We're gonna have a couple of bedrooms, Shared bathroom here, his and her sinks. Again, all the bedrooms are pretty good size. Great floor plan. If you guys got kids, extended family, Azelia is a great choice. And finally, coming through here, it's really nice that this feels nice and open and connected. We go to the primary. Primary is a really nice layout. And if you get in early, like what you could do is maybe call me, go to the link in my video, schedule an appointment. You could get a lot like this with beautiful mountain views and all that the Arizona desert has to offer, right? Wouldn't that make this even better? Of course. So coming in through, we've got your bath, huge, huge closet. This is bigger than most bedrooms. This is what makes the Azelia really popular. The closet, I think, ladies, you can fit all your shoes in here. Plenty of space. Right, again, both sides, goes all the way through, tons and tons of space in here. And then, so coming through, really, really nicely set up primary bathroom. You got your separate tub here, and all of this can be tweaked according to your style. If you don't like this style, you can change it. That's the benefit of having a new construction home. You can change out the flooring, the fixtures, lots of customization. Showers here are really nice. Comes through. Plenty of space in here, right? Big, big, big shower. Lots of customization. So that's going to wrap up our tour of the Azelia floor plan in the Discovery Collection. Stay tuned because we're going to be showing you as many of these as we can. And remember, if you want to buy up here, all you got to do is reach out. We can show you how to save up to $10,000 buying with our rebate program. If you have a home to sell, right? We can give you a guaranteed cash offer to figure out that contingency that everybody stresses about. We can also show you how we can list and sell your home for only 1%. So lots of opportunities. We want to help you. We want to take care of you. We want to see some amazing families come up here. We've already helped several people pick out their lots here. So again, reach out. You can call me, you can email me, you can fill out the link below, schedule your consultation. We'll tour you through and help you make Verdin your next home. Now, before I send you on your way, be sure to subscribe because this is only half of the floor plans available within Verdin, and we're going to be continuing to bring you walkthroughs of these floor plans, any important information. And again, be sure to reach out to us. We can take you through all of the different collections. We can save you so much time, money, and stress buying a home here in Verdin. Don't wait, reach out. Let's go make this your next home.